Hey fellow art nerds with ADHD, I'm here with another really quick convention tip. Tomorrow is Imaginacon in Gallatin, Tennessee, and I have already packed my con stuff. So that's the majority of it in that big red bag. And then there is my grids, my spinner rack, and my standing banner in the back seat. So I am packed and ready to leave at 8 tomorrow morning. So that means I am not trying to get the car packed while completely exhausted. I'm not trying to remember to pack things because I used that map I showed you in the last video, as well as that list to get my stuff together quickly and efficiently. So basically this means I can just leave tomorrow morning, which is great. So if you find yourself forgetting things or really struggling the morning of a convention, and you can, why not get packed the night before? So I hope this was helpful and useful and inspiring for you guys, and I can't wait to see you in my next My Life with ADHD video. Bye guys!